These include the right to life, right to liberty, right to work, right to freedom, right to express, and many more. Friends, today I am here to give lecturate on the topic human rights. As it is rightly said by Martin Luther King Jr., right delayed is right denied. Means we are providing, but if we are providing in late sense, then it is just equal to the deniedness. So we have to provide them in a proper time. So we all know that the Human Rights Day is celebrated on the 10th of December of every year. We know that the day the United Nations General Assembly adopted in 1948 the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights established a set of common basic values, both with a, in regard in a view to the individual and also in the state. So there can be a common harmony between both the individuals. What are human rights? These rights are given to all human beings regardless of race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language or any other status. These include the right to life, right to liberty, right to work, right to freedom, right to express, and many more. Talking about International Human Rights Convention and bodies, we all know that UDHR, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, India took active part in the draft of it, and it is not a treaty, so it does not directly create legal obligation for countries. So we that UDHR together work with the International Convent on the right, civil right and political right, work together on the issues of human right. Talking about the human rights in India, it is clearly enumerated in the Indian Constitution. Since the establishment, the Indian Constitution incorporated most of the rights written in the Universal Declaration in two parts. The two parts are the Directive DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy, and the Fundamental Rights. Fundamental rights are Article 12 to 35 written in the Constitution. There are many rights under this, and the DPSP, which is Article 36 to 51, there are certain rights and the privileges given to the DPSP to work upon the things. There is also a provision of protection of human right and also a National Human Rights Commission at the union level which work for the protection of human rights. Talking about human rights recent event, we know that the rank of the India, which is 83 in the world freedom, the World 2020 report ranked India at 83rd position. India's score fell by 4 points, ranking to the 81, which is worst in the history of the world's 25th largest democracy. So we all know that in current pandemic, government also took measures for the human rights, like increased wages in the Manrega, and like it has given the right to food, which gives them the people to acquire ration at the government distributed shops and other things. So in current pandemic situation, we have seen that the things have been deteriorated very much. So the gap can be only be removed by the advanced human right and providing them the proper protection and the support. Thank you.